Hi, James Hayes with Don's Appliances, and today we just wanted to talk a little bit about a newer category of refrigeration where they call it a four-door refrigerator. Samsung kind of invented it a while back, and there's some other brands offering it. But this one we're standing in front of is a Samsung Bespoke four-door with their Smart Hub accessibility on it. There's a lot of things on this refrigerator that a lot of people don't realize that are out there. And there's some functionality to this. Yes, there's Spotify, yes, there's YouTube. You have a lot of that, but then even the ability to view the inside of your refrigerator without opening it, also accessible through the app. If you're out grocery shopping, you can have an idea what's in there without opening the door. Another thing that's become really, really popular in refrigeration recently is internal water. It's been around forever, but designers are really pushing it more and more now. So Samsung came up with the Bev Center. So it's a way of accessing it from this little door on the outside, and then on the side of here you'll have an autofill pitcher that'll be chilled water for you. And then if this is empty or you're not worried about having the chilled water there, you have a water dispenser here as well. Most brands that offer that, you have to open this entire door and they'll have a spout inside of it. So it's a little bit more of an energy efficient design. But what I like about four-door refrigerators is you have a full French door set up on the top. So any type of wide items you want to put in there, there's plenty of room for it. This particular one has this kind of collapsible shelf. They give you room for tall items, and you can still fit a carton of eggs or something in the back behind it. Gallon storage in the doors. And on the bottom, this is actually, I think, in my opinion, one of the more beneficial pieces here. This side here is a freezer, but it's fully convertible to a refrigerator for you. So, if you don't need a ton of freezer space or you have a secondary freezer somewhere in your house, convert that to the refrigerator. Now you have extra fresh food storage. You have these nice glides inside, so it's easy to access everything from the back. All the shelves have that ability. You have the bin on the bottom. And then over here, this is something really unique to Samsung also. Most internal water models give you one type of ice, and then you lose that crushed ice. Samsung will actually give you both. So you'll have cubed ice on this side, and they call it ice bites on this side, which is going to be an equivalent to a crushed ice. So there's a lot of features on this refrigerator, and if you're looking at it and be like, I like all this, but I don't like this, well, you can get it both ways. So you have some flexibility on what it is that you would like to have on your refrigerator. And they're actually reasonably priced as well. I think the non-version of this, I've seen a promo for less than $3,000, which is a great deal with all that you get on it. But if you want to know a little bit more about it, check it out on donsappliances.com or stop into a showroom and see a salesperson. And thanks for watching.